Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this wire-free 2K resolution security camera from eufy, the model S220 SoloCam. Tiny but mighty with continuous solar power. Free, no monthly fee. Storage all your video files at the built-in storage 8GB, or you can use the Homebase 3 because it is compatible with the Homebase 3 and storage all your files there with a maximum 16 TB of storage. I have made a video and for the Homebase 3, you can check in that video and with other products from eufy down below in the description on the playlist eufy. IP67 all-weather protection, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Enjoy anywhere access with the eufy security app, download from Google Play Store or App Store. Live view and recording history. Activity zones reduce false notifications. Instant notifications at your smartphone. AI advanced human detection, face detection, motion detection. Multi-user access, two-way audio communication. eufy protects you, your family and your privacy. 2K, the key is in the details, correct? When you are buying a camera, you need to have the best video quality, the best live view at the day and at the night. Video quality, it matters the most because that's how you will see everything very clear in front of the camera. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, so beautiful. eufy Security 2K. Small but powerful. I like it. So at the box we have the quick start guide. Stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. These two stickers, camera mounting screw position card, the mounting bracket, unscrew that, install it at the wall with these three screws, and then install this plastic, and you can adjust that, find the correct position and then tighten it very well. It doesn't go anywhere, it fits perfect and it will be very secure, your camera. The charging cable. If you want, you can charge this camera for the first time, or you can use the cable for the setup process. Connect this camera at your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router. Remove the film before use. Okay. Wow, I like the solar panel. I like the texture. Here you can screw this mounting bracket. It will be like that at the wall, and of course you can adjust it. Here we have the speaker, the sync button, the Type-C connection, silicone rubbers prevent any water to go inside and damage this camera. I like that. Remove this film, and at the front we have the 2K high resolution lens. Here it is. The photosensitive sensor here with a microphone here. The LED indicator here. The motion sensor here at the front. Around here we have the infrared night vision. I will show you later on my video. I like it. So let's start the setup. I will give it a fully charged for the first time. You can use a 5V power adapter, 2 amp. Blue LED indicator at the front. We have power, eufy security. I have some other products from eufy. add a device. Here it is the Home Base 3 compatible with this SoloCam. Other products from eufy, I'm sure you will like something the most and just buy it. But before buying one of the products from eufy, just check my video down below at the description on the eufy playlist. Definitely you will find it very interesting. Battery camera, S220 SoloCam, this is a new product. Next, you need to choose 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, press the sync button for 2 seconds. Here it is the sync button. I heard the beep. We will generate a QR code for the Wi-Fi connection. Scan the QR code.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
Heard 2 beeps.
Setup was successful.
Add successfully. Next, let's say back eufy security, formatted micro SD, OK. Backyard or porch. Next, optimal battery life, optimal surveillance, customized recording, and you can choose clip length from 10 seconds to 120 seconds. Intervals between triggers 5 to 60 seconds. And clip early if motion stops or not. Power source, battery, external solar panel, you can choose. Confirm. Got it. Right now, battery. Of course, I can change all these settings later. I will show you on my video. Next, most efficient, full effect, include thumbnail. Next, fully charge the battery before mounting. I'm charging the battery. Some tips. And we have a firmware update. Update successful. Next.
Here I am, last floor, number 8. Well, I thought why not, let's install the camera here and have a beautiful view. It is a solar power camera, only needs the power of the sun. I like the horizon behind me with the Earth view. And the weather is cloudy, it will rain. Now let's talk about the camera. Good quality, I can see very clear around me and anyone pass through the camera. Obviously the 2K resolution, it makes a difference. And the sound quality is clear. I will enjoy good audio communication with anyone in front of the camera. You can start recording, stop recording and then save it to phone album. You can take a screenshot, share or send a feedback.
Hold to speak and you can start the two-way audio communication. Now you can hear my voice from the speaker and I'm sounding very well. Definitely anyone in front of the camera, it will hear me. If that is an intruder, a friend or a delivery guy.
You can unmute the speaker, turn off or turn on the night vision, and of course you can enable the alarm for 30 seconds. It is very loud. And here we can see all the events. Just choose one of the events, play, pause. You can download, share, donate or delete the event. Let's go back and let's move on the settings. You can switch off the camera, Edge connection. S220 SoloCam can join Edge ecosystem with a Home Base 3, continue. After recording, new recordings will be stored locally on home base, yes.
Ready to add device.
Perfect.
Setup was successful.
Device was added successfully.
Has joined Edge. Perfect. Now all the video files will be stored at my Home Base 3. Motion detection. Motion detection, you can switch it off or on. Activity zone. You can add activity zone and with your finger you can adjust. Add the second one and the same, adjust with your finger. And of course you can edit, delete. Detection sensitivity from 1, the lowest, and the highest it is the 7. 5. You can enable human recognition, human detection, vehicle detection it is on beta, pet detection the same it is on beta, or you can enable other motions. For now only the human recognition and the human detection. Motion test mode. Ports will flash red when motion is detected. Perfect. Tips for installation. Dashboard. Battery percentage thread. 7 days, 30 days. I don't have enough data right now. Solar charging efficiency. 130 mAh is approximately equal to 2% of the battery power. Video settings. Enable disable the watermark. Streaming quality you can choose auto, high, medium or low, always auto for me. Recording quality 2K HD or Full HD 1080p, 2K for me. Enable disable the night vision, privacy zones, add privacy zones, and you can adjust with your finger again, and this area it will not record it, and you can add as many as you want. Edit, delete. Audio settings, you can enable disable the microphone, the audio recording, speaker the same, adjust the speaker volume from low, medium to high. Notification, most efficiency. I have shown you these settings on the start of my video. General, you can rename the camera, enable disable the status LED indicator, you can change the Wi-Fi connection, power manager, the same I have shown you in that settings on the start of my video. Storage, right now is recording on my Homebase 3. I have 1 TB drive. You can format and clear. Mounting guide and about the device. You can share the device to other members of your family, share your thoughts to the eufy if you have any problems, and you can remove the device. Now let's check at the night and see the video quality. Sound alarm from the camera and then notification on my smartphone. Instantly responds. Then press on the screen to disable the alarm. Without a doubt, this alarm will make any intruder to go away. I have decided to make the video under a rainy day, and even now at the night we have a good quality video. Infrared night vision is on, but because behind me I have some of the city lights, turning off the night vision, I think I will have a better view on the color mode. In my case I like the color mode. It depends the brightness level around, then you can choose night mode on or off. Small but powerful. Harvesting the power of the sun, you will have unlimited access with this camera. It is a new product from eufy and I like it a lot. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below at the description, included discount codes. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.